Welcome to this video on perception and stress in the workplace, as well as motivation, theory, and application. I'm Ofanto, SEMM, CHPP, instructor for the Organizational Behavior course, EMBS4207, for this third week. Hello, fellow students. We're so glad you're joining us again for this week's session. Let's explore behavioral dynamics in organizations together. Our learning objectives for this week cover three main areas: understanding the concept of perception in the workplace and its impact on decision-making, analyzing the causes and effects of workplace stress, and understanding various motivation theories and strategies to boost employee productivity. Our primary learning resources are Modules 3 and 4. Don't forget to actively participate in the active discussions, as these will determine your final grade for this course. There is also a mandatory Session 3, assignment and self-study exercises to reinforce the material. Stay motivated and active throughout every step of this tutorial. See you in the discussion forum. Warm regards from me, Ofanto, SEMM, CHPP, instructor for the Organizational Behavior course at the Universitas Terbuka. Happy learning and best of luck.